What are 3 pranayamas you recommend? 3 pranayams that I recommend would be Ujjayi, Brahma's breath, bee's breath, and Nadi Shodhana, alternate nostril. So Ujjayi is the one that we do throughout the practice. I feel like you can do that anytime you need to like create some heat. Brahmari, the bee's breath, humming, and also putting your hands on your body, for me is a wonderful way to go inside, to ground, and to kind of connect to my intuition, to connect literally to my voice. And then Nadi Shodhana, alternate nostril breathing, right? Breathing in one side, blocking off the nostril, going to the other side. And that's very, very cooling and calming. And at least those of us who are in the northern hemisphere, we're moving into summer. So I find cooling breaths a little bit more conducive to what's going on in my life. Define Prana Vinyasa Yoga. Okay. So Prana Vinyasa Yoga, or Prana Flow, as we call it, was created by my teacher, Shiva Rea. And I started studying with her back in 2003. And when I met her, I felt like I came home. So we did a lot of Prana Flow today. So generally with Shiva, she believes that we're never really supposed to be, or we're never really still. Like our cells are moving, we're breathing, the blood's circulating. And so for her, the vinyasa practice should be one that flows for most of it, right? To kind of honor the flow, the current of the breath and the blood and the energy of life. So Prana Flow will always have a lot of movements. We generally read from something. There's usually a moving meditation at the beginning or the end. And I would say that those would be, and also music's a really big part of the Prana Flow community. Yeah. What other classes on the site are similar to or have a similar Prana Flow style? So some that have the Prana Flow style would be definitely Fluid Power. And I actually can't think of any right now because I'm a little yoga stoned. So Steph, maybe if you can write some down for me, and then I can share it with the group. If not, you can just put in Prana Flow and you'll be able to see it there. Will you teach Prana Flow Yoga for teacher students who want to learn more? Yes. So I'll definitely talk a lot about Prana Flow in the sequencing workshop. It's based on wave theory, which is Shiva's theory of sequencing. I mix it up a little bit because I do mix in other styles, but I'll definitely be talking about that. So the book that I read from, Yoga Spanda Karika, and the passage that I read from, did I just close that? I did, didn't I? Okay, perfect. In this, it's first flow stanzas 1 through 16, and it's after stanza 11. And it's just him reading. What is the purpose of corpse pose? Why do we do it? Oh, that's a good question, Steph. Good one. Why do we do corpse pose? It's a way of integrating everything that we've learned. So in yoga philosophy, it's believed that after we learn new things, specifically in Hatha Yoga, lying down integrates all that we've learned. And also we've opened up a lot of our energetic portals, our energetic body. And so corpse pose allows for us to ground that energy so that when we go out into the world, we're not like this open vessel. Yeah.